spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there.
So I was making my hair, trying to whip my hair as usual, as I would normally do. So we got some deliveries. Got 2 bags. I still need deliverance from shopping. Yeah. So let's start with the smallest one. This will be very fast. Just snip it. Oh, okay. Good for us. I ordered raincoat and a thermal trousers for my youngest daughter. Yeah, it's very thick and it's got covers on the feet and it's very thick. So I got this one for her and I got this raincoat for Gabriella. That's Angela. Yeah, this raincoat has this shield because about 3-4 weeks ago it rained almost all morning, so we needed a good raincoat, but the one she had at the time was not so thick, so I decided to get her something that was thicker. So yeah, this one I like it because it has the space for the bag at the back. This space is for a school bag, so once you open it, it's going to expand. It will expand to fit in the school bag properly. I'll probably insert the picture of this on the screen. Yeah, and it's pink and it's 2 sizes larger than our regular size, so that it will fit in our proper regular jacket, you know. And then I got this black one for myself. This design, this black and white thing, but it should work. Yeah. This one has cover for the hand as well, and it's got this rope to make the head part fit my own head, and it's really big as well, and it's got zip and proper buttons. So that's that for the raincoats. Now let's go to the other one. So here, okay, I got this lint remover. Got that. I also got socks, a couple of thermal socks. Yeah, different colors. And I got some Brazilian wool for my daughter's hair. I got a manual lint remover as well. This is just the regular t-shirts, not t-shirts, just the regular top. It's got girls just want to have fun here in winter. And I got the school shoes. Oh no, this is just a regular shoe for her. I got this pack of hair bands. This hairbands, regular hairbands. I got this. Oh wow. Press on nails for myself. I like the color, that's why I got it. I also got this burgundy belt for myself. Yeah, burgundy belt. And that's me trying to build my fall stroke winter capsule wardrobe. Yeah. So it's got this golden detail. Okay. My highlights. I got this burgundy jacket for myself. Yeah. It's not thermal, but at the same time, it's one of those fabrics that when you wear it, you would not feel cold. Yeah. And I like this detail, the kind of button. I like it, so that's why I got it. And yeah, I have a burgundy turtleneck that I hope to wear inside and then pair with this one. And I got this set of foot mats for the bathroom. The last one that we have, which is still what we have, I mistakenly washed it in the washing machine, so it spoiled it, and I decided to replace it. And I hope you started preparing for Christmas. Me, I've started. So I got this Christmas stopper. I intend to go for, last year it was red detailing that I had on my Christmas tree, but this year I want to go golden, so I got this gold Christmas stopper. It was sold for less than £1, so nice deal. And I got this, not bad, this outfit. Oh, so gorgeous. See, I like the detailing at the bottom. It's navy blue. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I also got I got this one for her as well. Okay. I love the detail, the white and the black, everything. And it's like midi. It's not short and it's not long. I like that. So I've been wanting to buy like natural camphor for my house. So I found it online and I got it. Yeah. Oh, strong. Let's see. Because sometimes I tend to bin these bags with stuff still inside, so it's good that I got this dental floss box. So you put your dental floss inside of it and it comes out, you know, it's like a storage for dental floss anyway. That's hard to open. Oh, and it comes with some dental floss inside. Yep. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then you see, that's fancy. And to replace it, how do you open it to replace it? Okay, I would find out how to replace it, but then I think this is nice. And then I got this pack of 3 shower caps. The one I have at the moment has the rubber inside and then a cotton material on top. So I was looking for something that was the regular shower cap, so I got this one, and it's a pack of 3. And I also got this tongue scraper. and I think I like this one more. The one I have is not like this. It's just a regular one that you use to scrape, but this one has got like a brush for your tongue and then the scraper itself. So I feel like this is good, and it can be used by a child on their own. And yep, I think that's that. And the last thing in this order is this wig. This came with a wig cap and then the wig itself. Oh my god, I'm returning this. I am so returning it. It's rubber. No, I'm returning it. It's long, but obviously it's not human hair. It's synthetic, but the synthetic is not the fiber kind of synthetic. It's the synthetic. No. You won't catch me wearing this kind of wig. So it looks like rubber. Oh no. You know all those wigs that if little breeze blow like this, it's going to be like sponge. That's what it's giving. No. Oh no, I'm returning this. Obviously you won't catch me wearing this kind of wig. I'm sorry. No, this is a wrong buy. It's a fail. This one is a fail, so I'm definitely returning it. I'm returning it and I'm getting my money back. Yeah, so that's all I got for this order. Some things are nice and some things are not. And I wanted this wig because I wanted this schoolgirl style that you put some of your hair like half up, half down kind of packing, and you have two base here, but not with this kind of rubber wig. I'm laughing at myself. I'm returning a bag. No. You won't catch me wearing that kind of wig. But yeah, that's all I got. I'll just go back to making my hair and it will be a wrap. Catch you. I like to put this thing on my hair all the time whenever I weave my hair. And even whenever I make my daughter's hair as well. I like the feel. It's just the feel that I like anyway. This is all going to get dry pretty soon. Yeah. So I'm going to return the wig, like I said. The wig and one of the dresses. I'm going to return it. So usually I put the things I want to return there. So to get them ready for pickup. So earlier when the order came in, I was showing that I was making my hair. Now I finished the hair and this is what I've been able to do. And with this I can rock my caps. I can also wear my wigs, you know. And I'm sure I've been able to save myself some 20-30 pounds. And also today is the Halloween parade. I wanted to attend. I wanted to go before, but I just finished making my hair and they've left me and baby A in the house. So we'll just stay at home and chill pending the time they return. So yeah, that's us. And tomorrow is Sunday. We're going to church and I'm ready and I'm also excited because tomorrow is our youth Sunday and I always love to attend our youth service. I mean, it's always different, but then yeah, so I'm just going to go freshen up now and we'll see Family Feud. That's the show that Bisola anchors. So we'll watch that and after we'll just go to bed and sleep. So yeah, catch you. Things like that. Just a small part. Laissez-moi just these are the things that I got. I got this lights. Yeah, it's a sensor light. I got this ginger man or gingerbread onesie or something. Yeah, it's a pin on there. And I got this for Papa. This one. So yeah, it's gonna be twinning with baby A. I intentionally got this one because I didn't want him to wear anything red or pink. And my own Christmas jumper is pink with touch of reds and all that. Same for Gabby as well. So we're gonna do it 50-50, no cheating. So yeah, that's me preparing for Christmas in a way. And yep. I'll see how this works, and if it works well, I would get some more, and if it doesn't work well, I'll still keep searching for more sensor lights. And if you have any sensor lights recommendation, please tag me, tag me, plug me on it, because I'm about to save some energy during this winter. Catch you later.
Looking good, and on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Brilliant. All looking good. You've got 10 on the bottom and 10 on the top. How many does that make?
11.
All the way to the back. There's just a little bit of plaque up here, but looking healthy. The spaces are good. We want that. I think they said that last time. Because adult teeth are going to be wider and taller. Okay, but there's no signs of any adult teeth yet. Right, and that's normally about 5.5, 6 at the earliest. Okay, so it's just to make sure that everything's nice and healthy. Okay. But
Hi guys. I went to the Halloween disco, and then it was very fun, and I loved it. And I got candy for snack. That was snack, and I got a toy sword, but it keeps it on. Like go to demon hunters. They used to fight the villains, and I like K-pop demon hunters. They're my favorite. I like Zoe.
Okay. Plug you in on something if you're a new mom and you're concerned about your fragrance when it comes to your newborn, when you carry them, especially if you have to do these things alone. Don't go too far. I have an option for you. It's so subtle, but yet it gets the job done when it comes to your body mist and fragrance. It's the So Fragrance range. Me, myself, I've got 3 variants, and they're subtle, they're safe around my child, and they can feel the job.